Day 2. Day, mag-underground river mi. So, nag-breakfast na sa amin din sa laod. Kaya free ilang breakfast.
Free?
Breakfast buffet. When you check in here. Our room is 410. Kaya kaayo kay shadow sa ani.
It's a shadow. If you want to experience that, you can come here.
Balik sa isa room.
Welcome to Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. Mabuhay. Our driver, his name is June.
Good morning.
So, and I am Ben. I will be your tour guide, or I'm going to assist you in your underground river tour. They will not let you paddle the boat. Somebody will paddle the boat for you. Because if they do, see you at China. Okay? So, because the location of underground river is facing West Philippine Sea or South China. South-Terranean River National Park is one of the considered as one of the longest navigable underground river in the world. That is the premier tourist spot here in Puerto Princesa City. So Puerto Princesa City is the only city here in Palawan, province Palawan. Okay. So 1971 it was opened to public as a national park, and this is also a national park controlled by local government. And 1999 described by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site, so protected area. So unfortunately, ma'am and sir, at the cave itself or at the park, no swimming. Okay, so no fishing, no. It's really protected. The area is really protected. And finally, year 2011, voted by millions as one of the new 7 wonders of nature. So we all know that the wonders of the world, they are all man-made, like the Great Wall of China, etc. So they are all man-made. But the new 7 wonders of nature, they are all natural. So ma'am and sir, your tour today is gonna be boat ride, sightseeing, picture taking, nature trip. So that's gonna be your tour for today. Enjoy the ride, enjoy the tour. So this is going north. Puerto Princesa located at the center of the province, dividing the south and north. The southern part is known for agriculture industry. So just a few minutes, we're gonna have our stopover. You can take picture the overlooking of Hulugan Bay. And the so we call them boat people. So they live here almost more than 10 years.
Wow! Ayan, wow! So nice!
Wala kang tututusin dyan.
Uy, tagal nyo! Wala sa standard ito.
Yan ha. Lahat yan. Ganyan. Okay?
Ay ma'am, nice of the Ugong Rock Adventure Tour. So the rock formations, and as you reach the summit, you can do the zip line. I really recommended it. Why? Because previously
No, sorry.
Very good.
Di alam, picture lang tadi sa kuan cave. Wow. Excuse me. Very good. And then down na ko din. Bababa din. Medyo dugay jud ay magsugod basta magbuka og underground river. So na mga side trip before ka mag-ato jud dito. And from the hotel, mag-travel pa 1.5 hours padulong dito. So karon time is 10:35. Nagikan mi sa hotel around 8 AM I think. Nadugay na pud mi kay na stop over. So daghan pag-agian. But good thing na ingon na siya. Na siya mga stopovers para at least sulit ramang po ang biyahe padulong bago nga mag-abot dito sa underground river. Pero kung ako lang to isa, siguro i-try na ko ang mga activities like the zip line, the caving, and the spelunking. Pero since naman siya na, ang dili man siya gusto natin mga activities, so puyo ang mama. Okay ra po, kaya nakatipid po ni, kaya another gasto man po to siya. Lain ang payment. Oh, look at that. Ayan na. We're here. Let's go. Come on. Come on, ate. Ato na ta. Balik na ta. This is the Elephant Cave. Picture lang. Walay charge diri. Then balik na dayon mi sa sakyanan.
We need to that mountain. It's the underground river. So meaning you're going to enter at the outflow of the river connected to the sea. So that's why the place is called Sabang, because that is the main meeting place of the salt and fresh water.
Just
It's
it's nice.
2 minutes.
Something here. Come on, ate, hold mommy. That's the waiting area. So, ang directions among both is straight and then left. Ay, straight and then right. Okay, ang underground river is under that St. Paul Mountain. That's a limestone mountain. And diri sa pika side, Manganese Mountain, di ay na siya. Naa daw di ay picture plant. Here, after that terrifying boat ride, we're actually here now. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so beautiful in person. Ako sa monkey. Don't go ha, don't go sa monkey. Yan na, pagpabilin Jud, yan na. Sige Jud. Te! Te! Ako na lang.
Pwede tanggalin yung life jacket mo.
siya.
Okay, let's go.
For cooking only. Just for flavor.
Can you see it?
That's a big one.
Yeah.
And if you want to take a picture of the
Ako wala.
There's a like.
Ayan po. Ito, ma'am. Ayan.
Okay.
Okay. Ayan, may naririnig na po.
Game.
1, 2, 3.
Negative po, positive volume mo lang ako pipilitin. Except lang yan po, ha?
Okay. Thank
Enjoy
you.
po. Good night.
So, meron kami audio device na mag-e-explain everything na makikita namin later.
Excuse me. Can you sit at the middle?
When everything was set, we were also ready to enter the cave. So this is the underground river. It's a long stretch of river. Actually, I think it was almost an hour navigating this part. We were not allowed to be noisy, of course, to protect the natural habitat of the bats and of course the formations inside. And as you can see, may mga tumutulo, bawal na bawal yan na pumasok sa bibig natin kasi it's kind of poisonous. Poisonous ba yung term din? But this is the only part na maliwanag kasi nasa bunganga pa siya ng cave. But inside, it's really dark. Complete darkness. Yung tanging ilaw lang dyan was the light from our boatman. Yung kanyang flashlight. Too bad na yung boatman namin, yung flashlight ng boatman namin dito is mahina yung kanyang light. Kaya hindi namin masyadong na-capture. Akala ko ako lang yung nakapansin, but kahit yung mga kasabayan ko sa boat, yun din yung comment nila. Kaya ayan, sobrang dilim. Actually, yung phone ko dito, yung exposure niya was already set to the highest. Ayan, compared to that boatman, napakalakas ng ilaw ng batch na yan sa harap namin. I wouldn't be explaining kung ano yung mga facts about the Puerto Princesa underground river because you can already search it in Google. But as for me, I'm just sharing my experience, our experience here. Habang pinapanood niyo tong video na to, of course, yung tanging naririnig niyo lang is the natural sound ng mga tubig na bumabagsak sa river. But kami na nakasakay sa boat, binigyan kami ng audio device, as you can see dun sa papasok bago pa pumasok sa cave. Binigyan kami ng audio device para yung audio device na yun ay lahat na siguro ng superlatives na kailangan kong gamitin. Highly, very basta napaka-informative niya. Napaka-informative niya. Ine-explain yung bawat sulok ng cave na madadaanan namin. Tapos may mga instructions pa, look to your right, para i-describe niya yung formation na yun. May mga ganitong name ng formation. Pero ikaw na nasa loob, they also advised us to use our imagination. Ayan, dumilim na. 'Di ba? Bongga kasi nalilito na ako. Nasa na yung ilaw ng boatman namin. But yun nga. Ayan. In fairness din naman, I was able to capture some. Nahuli ko yung ilaw ni Kuya dito. Impressed talaga ako dito sa underground river. Parang yung expectations ko mas hinigitan pa. Yung expectations ko dito was, let's say, 9 out of 10. Pero during the entire experience, kaya 10 out of 10, I recommend na kapag pumunta kayo ng Puerto Princesa, do not miss this activity. Kasi itong underground river, guys, this is not man-made. Talagang nature siya. Mamamangha ka. Parang naiiyak nga ako. OA na kung OA ha, pero the feeling inside was, thank God, I was able to see these, all of these. Kahit si Yana, alam niyo, kahit hindi ko pa siya tinanong kung kumusta yung experience, talagang pagkalabas namin ng cave, sabi niya sa akin, Mommy, it was so fun. It was so beautiful. Kasi nakikinig talaga siya dun sa audio device na yon, and she followed instructions. Every instruction, wag tumingala, wag buksan ang bibig, tingnan sa right, tumingin sa right, tumingin sa left, ganun. Talagang she followed everything, kaya na-appreciate niya talaga. Oh, I think this was the mushroom na sinasabi ni Yana. Ayan, 'di ba? Sabi niya may mushroom shape daw doon. Sabi ko, which part that? Which part yun? Sabi niya, ikaw kasi busy-busy ka na nagvi-video. Oh my God, Yana. Kung hindi ako nag-video, wala ito ngayon. So, this part here, tinuturo ni Kuya yung base kung ano yung nasa audio na sinasabi. Kaya, yan yung ano nila. In fairness din naman, mahirap yung trabaho nila, 'di ba? Sila pa yung nagbubugsay. Sila pa yung nagiging lightman. Sila pa yung taga-turo. Yung pina-follow nila kung ano yung nasa audio device. And this part, palabas na kami. Malapit na kaming matapos sa tour. Pero kahit palabas na kami, ayan, marami pa rin mga rock formations na pinapakita sa amin, pinaiilawan ni Kuya, para talagang masulit namin, like, lahat, as much as possible, lahat ng sulok ng cave, ipapakita sa amin. This one too. Since bawal gumamit ng flash sa phones, I took advantage of the light from the other batch going in. Kasi kami dito, palabas na. So, yung mga papasok pa lang, ang lakas ng ilaw nila. Kaya, ayan, video agad para may remembrance tayo na I was here. We were here. May monkey pasugat sa to.
Mummy,
Yeah.
scared.
Hala, na-adyo yung monkey.
Where are we going?
What's that?
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Can I call you Mom na?
Okay.
Thank you, Mom.
Ayo, guniti!
Dili na.
Wash lang, Pete. Hinay naman. Lunch.
Oyster.
Ayan na.
Parang talabalas.
Oh.
Diba? Slimy.
Oo.
Sausaw nyo lang.
Sausaw lang. Sir, thank you.
Ipapad ni Mama.
Let's try the tummy lock. Try tummy lock. Gusto ka? Kuha ka.
Hello.
Ay, sorry. I'll transfer it to you. Okay. And then... Ayaw magpakain. It's good. But one is enough. One is enough.
It is like it's more like a worm.
Yeah.
It's not a nice thing.
Okay, go inside. Why? Just go inside.
No, Yana.
Hi.
Mommy, look.
Cross your arms. Dako. Ang laki mo na. Kadako na niyo.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm in Brightbud. This is a playground.
Wala na pa sa screen.
I'm in Brightbud. This is a playground, an indoor playground. And now I will teach you where I go in the slide. I'll teach you where I'll go in the slide. First of all, I'm sitting on a green slide. Woo! See, there I'm in the ball pit. That's how you go in the green slide. There's no other slide. That is only the only slider. I forgot to I'm gonna go inside here. I'll just jump. This is the trampoline. I am jumping. Oh. Sorry for the commercial. I gotta go. You forgot the two leopards in the cave. Also, here is a leopard. You how we actually go in this on the slide. How we actually go on the slide like this. Okay. Okay. There. Now you're on the slide. Look, there's a strange, weird-looking fish there. No, not for me. Now I'll see you how I go to the trampoline. There's a lot of kids in here. Oh wait, let's go to the swing first. Swing. There, done. That was a bit boring. So there. Now we're on the trampoline, jumping. There, so simple and right. You can easily come here. Bye guys. See you in the next video. Bye. Oh, pop up. You can come now.
Sa ano po, Little Things, Rizal Extension daw po. Magkano singil mo, kuya? Oo. Harap ng Baptist Church. Sabi ng ano, magkano po? 200 po? Sige po. Go inside. Come on, let's go. Bawal mag-backyard. Go na. Go inside. First tricycle ride here. Open. Yes, that's it. Go. O, diba? Favorite song mo pa naman. Hi. Time is 5 minutes to 7 o'clock. Nami diri karon sa Little Things. This is 30 minutes from the hotel. Dili mag-dinner kay sikat ni siya sa TikTok. So, gitry na to kung nani bagyon. Kaso pag-abot na mo din, sold out na siya. So, that just mean na kusog yun sila direct. But, i-try na to kung sa kalamig din ang ilang order. I mean, ang ilang food direct. Yeah, try it. Sweet siya.
Are we from Korea?
No?
Feels like we're from Korea because we're in Korea.
We have food.
In Korean? So would you I need you to fill me up, my secret want to battle.
Madam.